at your feet. I wait patiently for you. Oh, I will forever and always put you before me till the end of time. But until then, till my last breath rolls in, oh, I am yours, you are mine. My heart beats for you alone. No house can hold the love that we own. Every time you fall from grace to your knees, I'll wait patiently for you.
Saya mengatakan saya yang penting sudah namanya sedangkan bapak tunai dan
Saya terima menikahi anak Bapak Irawan Esti dengan mengambil seperangkat alat sholat tunai ramah Allah.
Sah. Alhamdulillah.
But until then, till my last breath rolls in, oh, I am yours, you are mine. Someday we'll see what forever means. My love. 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 I will forever and always put you before